This is Avni, a community-based organization in the North Indian Himalaya. Avni has been promoting the use of solar power in this remote region. A workshop has been established to train local youth in the repair and maintenance of solar power equipment. In recent times, however, Avni's founder Rajneesh Jain's attention has been drawn to another local problem.
Central Himalayas have large tracts of pine forests which shed pine needles during the dry summer months, and these pine needles are highly flammable. They spread forest fires which destroy a lot of natural resources.
उसके तो नुकसान ही नुकसान हुए। एक तो पर्यावरण दूषित होता है, दूसरा जंगल जितने ठहरे छोटे छोटे पेड़ पौधे पशु पक्षी सब खत्म हो जाने वाले ठहरे।
We started looking at the possibility of harnessing this destructive energy in pine needles, and we came upon the solution of generating electricity and cooking charcoal from pine needles. So basically we employ people, rural people, to collect pine needles before they've had a chance to burn on the forest floor, and we run these pine needles through a gasifier system which pyrolyzes the biomass into combustible gases, and these combustible gases run an engine to drive an alternator for generating electricity. In the process you get about 10% residue, which is good quality charcoal, and we briquette it and use it for cooking, which is replacing the fuel wood for cooking in the villages. So we have actually created the proof of concept. We are running a 9 kilowatt power plant for almost last 4 years, and this is being used for our captive power requirements here. There's a small textile processing unit where the power needs are met through from the pine needle gasifier. We have also done several cooking trials both here as well as in the villages, and cooked meals, and people are really excited about it. Now we are in the process of setting up a 120 kilowatt power plant, which will consume the pine needles of the entire village more or less, and will generate continuous power 24 hours a day.
उससे तो बहुत ही बढ़िया फायदा होगा कि एक तो ये वो जंगल में जितना पेड़ होगा लोग बाग इकट्ठा करेंगे, बेचेंगे, पैसे तो मिलेंगे उसकी थोड़ी बहुत जितना भी होगा, तो उससे लोग बाग इकट्ठा करके बेचेंगे तो जंगलों में कम नुकसान होगा।